What's up, guys? We're just here at the new race shop in Ryan's new place. We just got everything all loaded in here today. We've been working away all day here. We got some stuff done. Ryan's been working away all week, and the car is finally here. So we'll give you a quick tour of that shop. Just before we do that, I want to give a shout out to G-Force and Race Rivals Chat every Tuesday night. They had us on the show there last week. Ryan and I were on talking about some of our plans for next year and some of the other stuff we do as well. So shout out to Adam and Clinton for having us on, and shout out to Don Martin, one of our subscribers here. He was the one who commented on their page and suggested that we get on there. So here we are. We're at the shop. Let's check it out, see what Ryan's been working on. There's Ryan.
Hey guys.
Ryan, let's give a quick little tour here, see everything you've been working on, show the shop now that 95% of everything's here now.
Just gonna run my air line here, get the air all set up in the shop. I might hard pipe some stuff to the other side since we have two sides now, but yeah, this is fab side, assembly side, whatever you want to call it. Got our new pick card in here. We can actually open both sides of it now. We couldn't do that in the old shop. We got a lot more space now, and got a nice rim rack under here with all our rims, nice and organized, size, color. Fresh coat of paint on everything. Drywall's done. Got our Great Canadian Trophy up there. New hose reel and everything. I'm just gonna run the hose like I just said. So yeah, this side of the shop is done, I think, mostly. Gotta get a little bit of garbage out of here and that everything's done, but
Deckled up pick cart.
Yeah, pretty excited to have a pick cart this year. That was our first time getting it in the car and everything in the trailer. We loaded it kind of as if we were going to the track for a mock run, and now that we have a bigger trailer, it actually all fit nicely. We gotta put some of that more easy track stuff in just to make sure everything's nice and safe for going down the highway. But that was nice to know that everything fit before all of a sudden, oh crap, we're going to race on Friday night and everything doesn't fit in the trailer. So that was a good dry fit run. And yeah, we gotta get the LED lights in here, same ones we had at the other shop. So once that's done, I think that's pretty much it. We're ready to go full swing. The car's over here in the other side of the shop. She's not far away from being ready to rock and roll, and in 1 or 2 nights we could have it ready to race. So we just gotta do a handful of things. But yeah, we're pretty excited. I gotta thank G-Force for having us on last Tuesday. That was awesome to get on there and be able to talk about all of our great sponsors and shoot the shit with Adam and Clinton about some stuff. Pardon my French. We're a little rough around the edges, these race folks. But yeah, just biding the time, and hopefully in the next couple weeks here we'll get some news that we can go racing and we can go out there and chase some checker flags with this super stock. And I'm hearing lots of rumblings about cars that are going to be racing in certain places, and everyone knows our plan is to go out and run full-time Delaware Speedway Friday nights, and then the 5 Quick Super Stock Series races with the United Racing Series. So that's our plan. Hopefully everything can get back on track soon, and we can actually go out and do that. I'm hearing lots of rumblings about some of the cars that are going to be running certain places and stuff. I know Corey McAllister said that he plans on running full-time at Delaware Speedway too. So it's great to see some of those guys kind of venture out to Delaware. I think that's a big testament to having the Universal Ontario Superstock rules package. So I'm excited to see some of that. I can't think in particular of anyone. Jamie, can you remember anyone that said that they're going to be running Delaware? I can't even remember now. It's been so long since I've been hearing some of this stuff, but
I can't remember. It's been
a while.
We were supposed to be racing this week, so
yeah, I guess this week was supposed to be race week, yeah, but it's not. But based on I'm thinking there's going to be 16 to 20 super stocks on a regular Friday night at Delaware, maybe even more, which is awesome to see. And then who knows, I mean, the sky's the limit with those quick super stock races. I wouldn't be surprised to see 35-40 cars out to the first one. So competition's definitely going to be steep. I think you're going to see a big thing go on, kind of like what happened with the late models with the inception of the United Racing Series. I think you're going to really see a lot of good equipment come in. I think it's going to feed the local tracks and everything. And I'm really glad that the super stock division didn't get to the point where the late models were at when that happened. I mean, the late models, for all intents and purposes, were pretty much a dead class when that all happened 5 or 6 years ago. I'm glad the super stocks didn't get to that point and have to rebuild up. The cars are out there, and now there's one package. I'm really excited to see who comes out and races at Delaware and Flamborough and Sunset, Peterborough, all the tracks out there. I'm really excited to see the car counts go up, and it just makes winning that much more difficult. And when you are able to achieve a win or a championship or run in the top 5, I mean, it's pretty awesome when a top 5 is a good night at the track because there's so many cars, right? Or even chasing top 10s. I think the competition level is going to be that high that, you know, chasing top 10s is going to be a good night at the track. I mean, obviously you always want more, but you know, if you can run solid top 10s every week, I think you got a good shot at a title, because I think the field is going to be that deep. So, like, I keep beating a dead horse, just saying I can't wait to get going, but soon, fingers crossed, the next couple of weeks we can hear some good news and get this Douglas window and door ink hot rod on the track. And
I know we've done the decal thing. We've already gone over the decals, but we got to give a shout out. We got a couple more on this week. Shout out Thompson Photography, Cale Thompson, Andrew Thompson. We got the sticker on there this week. We got that in the mail. Shout out Dan Bailey at Epic. We got that sticker on the car. And of course, APC Auto Parts Centers.
So yeah, more stickers on the car. I don't know, did we show the Wilds one down here too?
Oh yeah, we had a Jason Wilds on there too.
So we're still just waiting for the hood decal that we royally messed up on. Whenever I find the time, I gotta get that out to Jason Wilds. You show the Epic sticker, there's something else. My new fire suit should be coming soon. A little bit of a different look. Hopefully we can see that in some Victory Lane pictures. I tend to get a little excited in Victory Lane, so
are we gonna have to do like a Epic Raceway runway red carpet show with the fire suit or something?
I'm not sure if anybody wants to see that. Yeah, new fire suit's on order. Epic Racewear always does some very quality stuff. Can't wait to show off the new fire suit. It's gonna match the car. Let's put it that way. Nice Douglas blue, black, neon yellow. Can't wait to get that. I may or may not have had to ask Dan to take an inch out of the waist on the new fire suit. He still had my measurements from the old ones, but may have packed on a few pounds over the last year in the lockdown. We'll show that off to everyone. I'm sure I'll have that in the next couple of weeks. So, new fire suit will be on the way, and once we get that, I think all the pieces of the puzzle are together, and we're gonna get on track and go chase some victories. So, yeah, we'll get everything going here, and we'll have some fun in the new shop. We'll keep you guys updated, and see you next time.